everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Carfleet here again. In this video, we're going to be putting the Mevotech tie rods on my Dodge Ram 1500, 4th gen. It's going to be a nice little mod because I'm upgrading everything slowly in the suspension to heavy duty stuff or better than OEM. We got the upper control arms from Mevotech as well. So check that video out. I'll put the link up here somewhere. Yeah, it should tie in nicely. They're gonna be the same color. It's gonna look pretty cool. Should be a pretty easy mod. Well, it should at least. I'm guessing how I do stuff, everything breaks and blows up. So it might be all day or all week. Yeah, let's take a look at our stock ones here. So I just put this bumper on too, guys. Check that video out. This bumper's sick. So we got the stock guys there. They've gotta be destroyed. Like, I've wheeled this thing so many times. Like, there's no way they're actually good. So here they are. I'm gonna open it up for you guys, but you can see they're really beefy. About $100 for the two with shipping. And guys, also, we got this stuff to fix the stupid manifold issues on these Rams. So we got the manifold bolts and we got manifold gaskets. So when I get some time, we're gonna have to extract all the bolts out and put the new bolts in with the new gaskets, and we shouldn't have any more ticking from the engine bay. And also I got a tranny service kit right here, 2 filters and a gasket. So we're gonna do a tranny service as well. Bunch of parts for the Ram. Yeah, let's get into this here. So here they are. Love the color of these, they look so cool. We're gonna have to do a little side by side to see the exact differences, but it's got their TTX, I believe is the ball joint, or the heavy duty ball joint, or whatever. But the uppers are really nice. So it comes with 2 nuts. I'm not sure if this is an optional. No, this one must be for the inner rod. It comes with your little grease guy and little clip for the knuckle part. So we're in here. You can see we got our upper TTX. I'm just trying to get this nut off. You just want to crack it and kind of leave it where it is because you want to have a good alignment still. Make sure you don't move it too much, crack it loose, and kind of just leave it there. Spin this guy off. All right guys, so I just cracked the nut loose on the back there. Now we're gonna spin off the knuckle part. See if it comes off easier if it's the whole thing's gonna spin. Whew, there we go, nice and easy. Give this a few taps. There we go. And out she comes. There we go. Now let's go compare them. All right, so there's a big difference in these two. Gonna write side by side here. Look at that. So nice and thick, super skinny. This does look a little thicker. Yeah, it's a little thicker from this part. And you can see that's the biggest part there, is that thickness. And this ball joint's a lot bigger. Better. Let's get it in there, guys. That's it. Little comparison. You can see this one's destroyed. It's got nothing left. Okay, so we're gonna spin this guy on. So right there. Drop it in. There we go. And that gives me enough room, so we get our new nut. Basically you get it nice and snug, and then you put that little pin through, and there you go. So you want to line these holes up wherever they are here. Sweet, there we go. Now I'll tighten this guy again. Give him a good little crank, and there we go. One more just for good measure. Noise. There we go, no movement. We got the pin in. This guy actually broke the last one they gave me. So you gotta be careful with it, that's for sure. So this is a straight up fit, which means you don't have to angle it to wherever you want. It just goes right on. And push the bottom. Because the last one was angled and I wanted to angle it a certain way, but then it just broke because I kept tightening it to get it to that spot that I wanted. There we go. throw some grease in her, and there you have it, guys. That's one side. Holy man, like if one thing could go right on any vehicle I own, that would be awesome. This one that I'm trying to time lapse, it's been an hour and it hasn't moved. I think I'm either gonna try and cut it off, or because they give you that new nut, so we'll see. But it's just, man, it's so annoying every single time. It's so easy, such an easy thing to do. One side's easy, I was like, oh, it's so easy, like, yeah, it's sick. And then here we are an hour later, no progress on the other side. So we'll get it done. But if you guys work on your own vehicle, you know the struggle. Everything goes wrong every time. So, all right, guys, so I ended up cutting off that one, breaking it off, and then we got the new one on. I didn't record any of it. I was getting choked. Like, so we ended up putting this one on to replace that. It all fit, it all worked. We're all good. But man, that was frustrating. Like, one side goes perfect and it has to be the first one. So then your hopes are high. But there it is. All on. Alignment might be a tad bit off, but it doesn't look off, so that's fine. But yeah, guys, there we have it. We got the TTX tie rods and the TTX upper control arms. Still looking for the lowers down the road. And I know those are gonna be even more of a pain in the butt to install. But we'll get those one day, and then we're pretty much kitted out up front. And then we're just gonna need some, I do need shocks and struts and stuff, but that's a lot of money that I don't have right now for that type of stuff. But yeah, look at that, guys.